Kenya on Saturday received a batch of Sinopharm COVID-19 vaccine doses donated by China, as the East African nation ramps up inoculation against the virus targeting high-risk population.
According to the Ministry of Health, Kenya has received 6.3 million doses of assorted vaccines so far. This include AstraZeneca, Johnson & Johnson, Moderna and Pfizer. Adding on to this, as you can see behind me, is now China's Sinopharm. All of these vaccines have all been approved by the World Health Organization. This will help Kenya in its commitment to vaccinate 60% of its adult population who are eligible in its fight against COVID-19.
Senior government officials who witnessed the arrival of the vaccine at the main airport in Nairobi lauded the act, saying it will reinvigorate the pandemic fight in the country.
I would like to take this opportunity to thank the people of China who are represented here by the Minister Chancellor for this support towards our vaccination campaign and efforts to mitigate against COVID.
Virus respects no borders. Nobody is safe until everybody is safe. Only through solidarity and cooperation can we prevail. I'm more than happy to see that the Kenyan government's efforts and international community's support, Kenya has gathered pace to secure millions of doses of vaccines for Kenyan people. I wish the China-produced vaccine will play its part in the Kenyan government's endeavor to protect its people.